Good morning, dear viewer. Welcome to English speaking practice class. How are you doing? Today, our topic is our favorite hobby, which is in my case is gardening. That's interesting. I have a lush green garden in front of my home. Yes, I have a small one. Today is a holiday and I'll work for some time in my garden. Why not you join me and come and visit my garden? Oh, then you can start without any hesitation. I can help you with all the information. I plant the seedlings and take care of them regularly. I water them and weed them regularly. This is mint. In winter, it grows exponentially and we use it in our daily meal. Now, in the summertime, it is dried up because of heat. This is a sweet lime. These are from the citrus family. Next is pomegranate. Because of this, requires an ideal winter season which is not present here. So it grows very small here. Now these are English roses. Next to this plant is a champa tree with pink flowers. Again, some English and traditional rose plant in my garden. These are not fully bloomed in this season. Now, look at this big tree. This is a guava tree. This is Queen of Night, or our commonly known Raat Ki Rani, is a fragrant flowering bush. This small tree has two names, Acer and Maple. Again, rose plant. Look at this. This is Moringa. This is like a hero in my garden. Let me pause this video to guide you about its benefits. The leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It also has calcium, protein, iron, and amino acid, which helps your body heal and build muscles. It also packed with antioxidant substance that can protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. People are crazy about this plant because it has magical powers. If you have it, all in all, a power booster without any side effects. What is your hobby, dear viewer? What do you do in your leisure time? Your hobby is also praiseworthy. But by the way, which subject fascinates you more in book reading? Oh, fantastic. Did you read the book Men Are From Mars and Women Are From Venus? If you don't read it after this video because it will help you to understand the emotional differences between men and women. So it will help you in understanding people in your upcoming life. This is curry tree. We use it to spice up our Indian meals. This is fig tree. You already know about its benefit. Again acer, and with here we also had aloe vera plant which is used in body massage and shining products. This is a lemon plant. This one is jasmine. Again lemon plant. Here, the tallest tree in my garden is the neem tree. This tree is considered as a symbol of blessing by many people. Its leaves work magically for many purposes. People use its leaf for hair and dandruff problems. It is a natural and herbal cure to about every disease which is caused by the sweets and sugar. It controls blood sugar, prevents skin problems, and aid in digestion. All in all, a complete package. In the last, as a gardener, let's check soil condition here. Soil is fertile as soil with a balance of a different size mineral particles, approximately 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay, with ample organic matter and a pore space is perfect. Yes, even plants and greenery have much positive effect on human psychology. This is the reason why people who live in villages are healthy and mentally stable than people living in cities with pollution and multiple disease problems. Researchers have published many articles about the benefit of trees and gardening. Yes, I think as same as you. When I work in my garden, I feel so good. When I see the flower and get vegetable from there as a result of my hard work, I feel so proud.